Now we've conceptualized on the guitar how to achieve the major scale by shortening the string by degrees. The whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So far we've only talked about C. I'm going to try to explain the key signatures related to the major scale. So if you do the same kind of shortening, if you do the same kind of action on any, beginning with any note, you'll have the same effect as far as degrees of the scale goes, but you'll change the tonal center. You'll move the tonal center up or down. By that I mean, if we start with C, we get this scale: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Sorry about that mistake. Now if we started it at D and we went whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, we'd still get do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So we'd still get the tones in the major scale, but we've moved the center of the tone up a step. From here, do, 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 to here, do, 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 right? Now, if we start from another note other than C, in order to keep the integrity of the whole half, we have to make some changes. And let's use D as our example. For C, we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Uncomplicated. Starting from D, we have D, E, but the half steps in the natural scale are between E and F and B and C, right? We need a whole step. So we have D, whole, we need a whole step. So we have to make F a sharp. So we have to raise F a half step in order to keep the integrity of do, re, mi, or the major scale. So now we have D, E, F sharp. Now we have a half step, G, A, B, and again we have the same problem. Between B and C is a half step. We need a whole step. C sharp, D. Let's start it from here. D, from this D. B, C, D. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Now alterations of this sort are called accidentals. So we have two sharps in the major scale with the root D. Alterations of this sort are true in all, starting from all notes except C. C is the only one that actually has all the natural notes in it with no sharps or flats. So let's do this. Start with each open string. Start with E. E to F is a whole step, right? So E to F is a half step in the natural scale, but we need a whole step for our whole half. So we want to go whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. That's our pattern to keep do, re, mi. So what do we have? What's that give us? E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. There are 4 sharps in the key of E. Now do that with each open string. Same thing. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A.